Hello, this is Megan with AFRIGINUS, and welcome to our channel. Whether you're a new viewer or a returning viewer, we welcome you to our channel. We invite you to ring the bell and hit subscribe to receive notifications when we post new videos. You'll also feel free to like and comment on this video or other videos if you choose to do so. In today's episode, we will be showing you how to navigate our website, AFRIGINUS.com, so that you may get a better view of all our beautiful handmade items we have to offer here at AFRIGINUS. So without further ado, let's get started. So you go up to the top here and type in AFRIGINUS.com. This will take you straight to our website, where you will see a rotating carousel of different items that we have on our website, all of which are handmade by African artisans. You also see our social media links at the top of our page. If you want to see more of our stuff, click on one of those links. We have accounts on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Well, let's start out with the About Us page. Now, if you want to know more about why we do what we do and how we came to do what we do, go here. The Founder's Journey and the Mission and Vision will give you those. We also have a link to the shows. If there are any shows we are showing at, they will be on that page. Now let's say that you want, a category you want to shop in, but you don't know what item. You can always go to the shop button right here and click on it. And this will show you the different categories of items. We have accessories, affiliate products, apparel, footwear, jewelry, kitchen items, paintings, and toys. I'll go through briefly what is in each category. For accessories, we have our belts, face masks, hair ties, keychains, wallets, totes, purses, and pencil cases. For apparel, we have dashikis, knit hats, scrubs, and sun hats, like the gorgeous one I am wearing right now. Isn't it just lovely? And it keeps the sun out of your eyes. We also have handmade footwear, mostly sandals for that special person in your life or that special toddler in your life. We also have men's and women's jewelry, such as bracelets, necklaces, and necklace and earring sets. As well, we also have kitchen items, which are aprons and oven mitts. And then we have our beautiful handmade paintings. And this, by the way, is one of my favorite screens. And then last but not least, we have our toy section for that little kid or big kid in your life. We have dolls, baby mobiles, and stuffed animals. Now let's say that you just found out your best friend is pregnant and you want to get a baby shower. You've been invited to a baby shower, but you don't know what to get her. However, you want to get her something unique, something that nobody else at the baby shower is going to get her. Nobody. This is the site to go through, because these baby mobiles that we have are wonderful. So you'll see here we have two kinds. However, if you want both, or you don't know which one you want at the time, and you have time to come back later, you can always add them to our wish list by scrolling over the item and hitting add to wish lists. This will automatically add them to your wish list up here. But let's say you do want to purchase them both, and then maybe give one to them and keep one for yourself. You would go straight to add to cart on both of them. Let's say that that's all you want to buy. That's it. You don't want to buy anything else because they're both so beautiful. You can go to view cart and make sure all the information is correct. All the quantity, everything is correct. If you're satisfied with that, then proceed to checkout. Once you're at checkout, you'll add all your billing details as you see on your screen. And if you're shipping to a different address, you'll change this information to the address you want to ship it to. Now if there's something special, like special packaging, or if it's a gift that you want us to deliver it like, put it in these order notes down here, and we'll package them in the way and get them to you promptly. Now once all this information is correct, you can hit on the PayPal button, and that will take you directly to the PayPal website, where if you have an account, you can pay that way, or there's also an option you can check out as a guest. And you would fill out all the information on there that you would need to, and check out that way and pay for it. And then your purchase would be done for the day. But now let's say, okay, you have those two, but still there's something you see that's not here that you still want to get. Instead of searching all over the place, because God knows some of us don't like searching everywhere. You can just go to our affiliate products link here, and let's say you want to buy a rattle for the baby shower. You would go to African musical instruments, and these bring up the different items. Now, as we all know, little babies, if you have a baby, they like things that shake and make noise. So if it was me, I would get these wood shakers. So you would click on that. It would take you straight to the Amazon website. And you would check out. If this is what you want, you would check out and pay for them the same way you would on our website. And that is how to navigate our AFRIGINUS website to see all our beautiful handmade items that we have to offer. If you like this video and want to receive notification when we post next videos, don't forget to ring the bell and hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit the like and comment button at the bottom of the screen to comment on it as well. And don't forget, we at AFRIGINUS connect cultures and change lives. And we hope you will join us next time.